just came to say hello.
Hey everybody, happy Saturday. It's Katrina. Welcome to the Crafty Corner. So I'm in here knocking out some concepts, y'all. Trying to get these baskets made. It has been a day. I think you saw the ottoman. If you haven't seen that, go watch that video. It is done. I'm going to be pushing out my other flower soap concepts, which y'all know I've been heavy on those this season. Those were my best sellers last year. So I did one, and I'm going to do 2 more of those. So I have 3 of them. And to show you what flower sets that I'm talking about, you know I have several different kinds. So this one is called Sweet Love. All right, and these are on Temu. They are $3 and some change. $3.70, I do believe. I will post it in this video because I did make sure I got that so that y'all could see what the price is on it. And I'm just adjusting the camera here because my camera doesn't want to, my ring light don't want to act right, y'all. He got some act stupid in him. So this is what this set looks like. All right, comes with the bear and the gold rose, and then all of the soap. So you get 12 of the flower soaps with this set. I'm just going to stick it back in here. Okay. And then this is one that I've completed. So I have the flower set in the back there. I have the mystical perfume in here, which is these 2. They come in sets of 4, and I just broke up the set. So I have them back there with the red bow on them. All right, and I put a loofah in here to go with the soap. We have our box of candy here. And then our heart, I have the Werthers in the hearts there. I'm going to figure out how to squish my loofah down some. I may tie it up. But that is this concept. And this is very pretty. Camera does it no justice, y'all, but it is very pretty. So that is what I'm working on right now. I will also be working on some concepts with these mugs that I got, or these cups that I got off Temu as well. And these are called Smart Cups. They are LED temperature displayed. And this is what they look like. Trying to get y'all to sit up, honey. This ring light is acting crazy. I'm going to pull my other ring light out and get this one off the table because he don't want to act right. But these are, as you can see, when you touch the top, it gives you a reading. Sorry, y'all. My camera don't want to act right. So you just touch the top. And as you can see, gives you the temperature reading of your drink. All right, so depending upon how cold or how warm you want your drink, you'll be able to gauge and know what temperature you like your drink at. And it will show in Celsius and Fahrenheit. You just have to switch it up. All right. It is hand wash. But I picked up several of these that I will use in some concepts for Valentine's Day or for Mother's Day. Not real sure which one I'm going to do yet. I may put a DTF on this one use it for Valentine's Day. I did get them in several different colors, but I will be using these as well. So that is what I am up to in the crafty corner. Like I said, I finished that heavy hitter, and that is the ottoman behind me there. You can see that ottoman right there. And it turned out really pretty too. So I'm in the crafty corner busy, y'all. I hope that you all are too. These thermal cups, I will put the price of those in this video as well. However, I do know that right now they are sold out. So it may be, let me set y'all back up. It may be a little while before you can get these, but you should be able to get them in time for Mother's Day. These are very nice cups. They were $3 and some change, y'all, for each cup. So yes, I did go ahead and get these because they are LED smart cups. And I felt like they were worth the money. So I picked up, I believe, 6 of these. And I will be using those in some concepts as well. This is the box that they come in. You can see there it says LED Smart Cup. All right, so what are you working on today? Are you out in the streets, or are you all in there making those gifts so you'll have gifts to get out in the streets with? Let me know down in the comments. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be blessed, y'all. But most importantly, continue to be a blessing. Uplift each other and keep each other in prayer, y'all. Blessings. Bye-bye.
Oh, 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 oh. I just came to say hello.